Hello YouTube. Talking today about some people, most people in their campers has a gas water heater. Well, I wanted to change mine to where I could use either gas or electric, and they make these kits online that's about $100. Well, I done a little different. As you can see, I had a old hot water heater in the backyard. So if you can see it, there's the thermostat I put on, and I just strapped it to the back here of the hot water heater. And this is an Atwood hot water heater. The ones they sell online, it's got that sticky tape. I really didn't like that because if it falls off, you're going to end up burning it up. And I put over here, excuse me all my mess, but I've been working in this thing. I put a switch right there to turn it on and off. And then if we'll go outside, I'll show you the element. And I bought this element online on eBay for about, I think, 22 bucks. And there it is right there. I just put that in there. It comes with that little fitting. Wired it up and run my wire through there. And all in all, it cost me, I had to buy one little adapter. All in all, it cost me about 25 bucks. So it's easily done. And it pulls 3 point, I've been checking it, about 3.2 amps. As you can see, right up under my stove is where my hot water heater is. So I figure if I go to the campgrounds, it's better to use their electricity than my gas. And I've tested it out. It takes about an hour to heat it up to, I got it set at 140. So it's doing very well. So I hope this helps y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.